How to redeem Hellofresh gift card. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over here type in hellofresh.com/gift/redeem and then search for it. With that you'll be directed to this kind of page. This is the official website of HelloFresh. From here you can easily redeem your gift card. Redeem it now to get the fresh and delicious meal sent your way. Just type in your gift card code over here and then click on redeem, and just with that your HelloFresh gift card will be redeemed. So this was really simple and quick process. Well, that's all for this video. This way you can easily redeem HelloFresh gift card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.